I want to check out just the overhead individual on the same basis as a Winnebago, but you're in a van. You're basically on a van frame, so you drop down into your driver's seat. You got an over top bed that folds out. Looks like folding out into somewhat of a bed. What are we talking here? It's a 19 foot. We're talking $522 a month. So you're going to be driving, wow, $72,000. This is more than my house. Wow. So you're definitely going to want to buy a used one. It'll cut off by about $16,000, $17,000. Here's your master bedroom back here. But he gets a TV, bathroom, full stand up. That works. $500 a month. Huh? Pretty cool. Door handle. Okay. Lock myself in. Do super duty. Now I'm gonna go from this one. She's in the super duty. That was 19 footer. Now you got this one with a big old slide out. On the same body. Wow. That other one's $72,000. I can imagine what this one is. Let's try that. That had two slide outs on both sides. This has got one main slide out. Wow. Wow. A little different here. Wow. Okay. Again, you get your overhead. E-Series. Always notice that. Four-speed automatic. That's what it slid out. Microwave. Refrigerator. There you go. Full bathroom again. Master bedroom. Holy cow. I wonder what the price on this one is. That other one was 70, 72. I wonder what this one is. Okay to ship. Holy cow. I can imagine. Wow. It's gotta be over 100 grand. Wow. Yep, these are definitely gonna be on the road retirement. That was a Forester Star. Alright. I think we're done. I don't think I saw our Crusader yet. That's for the heck of it. Let's go look in one. It's got full on both sides. Now you notice this is a gooseneck. So it's gonna have to go back. The backward will pick up those. And you just saw those are self-driven, and then the other ones were rear ball hookups. This is full slide out. Well, there you go. This is only $35,000. Brand new. It's a 19 foot and $343 a month. You could physically live in one of these very easily. Very easily. Yes, at $35,000. No kidding. All your kitchen essentials. Plenty of living space. This gotta be the bathroom. Oh, no, this is another private bedroom. Oh, wow. Why would you? I don't know what the combination is on this thing. Because you got a couch underneath. You got a bed up on top. Interesting. You got a couch. You got a couch in here. You can sleep somebody else underneath. You know, I don't know. That slides. That's a slider. It slides out and only sliding back in. There's your buttons. More closet space. Up to the bathroom. Your master bedroom. Oh, this is over the gooseneck. Ain't that something? I don't know. And then central heating. I don't know what it would take to. It's kind of chilly in here now, but you might have a little bit of insulation. The window's not bad, but I bet it would be pretty hard to keep heated. All right, so that's it. Wife's in the car. We're gonna roll on. Had enough fun. We got our vent. Again, that's a gooseneck. That's only, what did I just say? 34,000. Brand new. About $500 a month. No, 350 a month. Okay. All right. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. Catch you again in Crosby's Vlogs.